In the previous video I have done this. Working points are now going to put some JQ animation in this and make it feel like the real compiler, just like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This will feel like the other editors and show the error as well. To do this scroll bar animation, it is optional, it is up to you that you want to do or not. Anything you want to say or any idea you want to give me, let me know in comment section. I will wait.